How to make $4,000 a day online. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Donald. Here on my channel, I teaches how to make money online, side hustle ideas, how to grow your business online, and how to make a website, even if you are a non-techie person. Okay, in today's video, I want to teach you how to make $4,000 a day online using affiliate marketing. Okay, for some of you out there that don't know what is affiliate marketing enables you to earn a commission whenever you refer a customer to the owner of a product or service. Okay, so this method I'm going to teach you, it works worldwide and you can use it on any affiliate network. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use Digistore. Digistore is an affiliate network and it accepts users worldwide. And they have tons of products and services that you can promote to your users or fans and earn a commission. Okay, so to earn this $4,000 in a day, we are going to promote cryptocurrency product. So you come to business and investment category. This is the product or system that we are going to promote. It says Crypto Quantum Leap and it pays 50% commissions. And this is the amount that we are going to earn on each referral to this, on each person that we refer to this product. Okay, so this is our affiliate link, and to view the product, you click on this sales page to read more about the products. So when a user or when we refer a customer to this product, and when they click here to get full access or to sign up, we are going to earn a commission. Digistore will pay us this amount of money here, $411.38 US. And to earn $4,000 in a day, we need to refer at least 10 people. Okay, so when we use our calculator to check how much we will earn when we refer at least 10 persons, we multiply it by 10. This is the amount we are going to earn, $4,113.08 in US dollars. So remember, we are not going to get all this money because Digistore pays via PayPal. Okay, and PayPal will take their charges. And to know how much PayPal is going to charge us in this amount, we can copy it. Head over to my site, which is realegenius.com. Okay, click on free tools. I'm going to right click and open in a new tab. Here we have tons of things that we can do on this website. It gives us lots of tools that we can use for free. Okay, consider to sign up to use this website. So this is the tool that we need, the PayPal fee calculator, right? So we click on it So we paste that amount. We select what we want here. We are going to leave it on the default, which is online transaction. Hit calculate. Here is the amount that we are going to get at the end of the day when Digistore pays us this amount. Okay, after the deduction of the charges of PayPal. Alright, and this tool is so nice that it's going to tell you that if you want to get, just in case you are doing a business and you want to get exactly this amount, this tool advises you on the amount that you can charge so that you can be able to get this amount at the end of the day. Okay. So, but anyway, this is the amount that we are going to get at the end of the day. Okay. So, how do we look for these 10 persons? We head over to Facebook. Guys, do not leave this video at any point. Okay. Just stick around to the end of this video to understand exactly how to make this work. All right. So we search for cryptocurrency and we click on groups. Right. We are going to join groups. Okay. So you can join these groups, but to show you how to use these groups, make sure that you join as much as you can and use them wisely to avoid the admin of the group banning you. Okay. So this is the one that I've joined. Let me use it for the purpose of this video. So in this group, what do you do in this group? Guys, by the way, remember that you can join other forums. Okay, there are lots of forums online that you can join to get your affiliate link out there. Okay. Here in this group, what do? You create a post. You can say something like, hello, I need at least 10 persons or people, any way that you want to put it, to teach how to get rich with Bitcoin, even if you are. I'm trying to replicate this title here. Even if you have no clue about technology, or we can simply copy this, paste it on our notepad first so that we can be able to get the plain text, then come back to our Facebook and then paste it here. Okay, so what happens, we can also make it to be a boat. Then we post. It says our post is pending. So the admin is going to review our post and then approve it, right? So this is the way that you are going to use groups on Facebook so that you don't get banned easily. Okay, so what happens here is when people now comment that they are interested under this your post, you now take them to your inbox. You ask them to contact you via inbox, right? Don't go ahead and paste your link. By the way, you cannot paste this link in Facebook because Facebook does not like affiliate link. So first thing you need to do is to shorten this link. This is too long and too dirty, and Facebook will know that it is an affiliate link. So you can use Bitly, okay? Or the one that I use, myclue.link, okay? It is free also to use it, right? So they also have paid plans. By the way, guys, if you need me to do a video separately and teach you guys how to use this myclue.link to make a killing in affiliate marketing, I will show you guys how I've been using this myclue.link to make commissions in affiliate marketing. If you need me to make a separate video on how to use the tools inside this myclue.link, comment below and tell me to make the video and ask for the video, and I will make that video separately. All right. But for now, this is my myclue.link dashboard, right? These are the tools. They are all powerful tools you can use to promote your affiliate link, okay, in a very creative and technical way. So, but for now, let's shorten our affiliate link. We say shorten. There is our shortened affiliate link. We copy it. So when people respond to our post and we refer them to contact us via inbox, okay, when they come, we simply tell them, okay, let me paste our shortened link, okay. We give them our affiliate link, okay. But you don't just give them the affiliate link, you have to instruct them. You can say something like, we can copy our title again. We can say something like, follow this link or click on this link to learn. We paste the title that we copied. Then we take our link, we put the link here. This is how you can do it. Follow this link, you put your link to learn how to get rich with Bitcoin, even if you have no clue about technology. You see, it corresponds with our post. And when they take this link, when they click on this link, it brings them here on this page, and they will still see the same title. They will know that you are not deceiving them. You are still sticking on your word. You understand? Because people can be sensitive these days to give their information or to click on links. So when they see that everything is matching, they won't have problem trusting you. They will trust you already. So when they visit here, they click, they read everything that the page says. They read more details on the page. Then they click here and they sign up. Okay, so if you are able to get at least 10 people or even more in a day, you can paste your link, your affiliate link, anywhere. You can paste it everywhere as long as you are creative with it. You use the idea that I just gave you. If anyone click on the affiliate link, they come to this page and they sign up, and you get paid this amount of commission by 10 people. You know how much it is already. So this is how you will do it. Okay, so guys, this is it for this video. I just want to get this out there. It's just very simple and easy way to make $4,000 US in a day using affiliate marketing. Okay, please guys, consider to subscribe to my channel, and please like this video so that YouTube can be able to refer it to other people that are looking for a way to make money online. All right, make sure that you share this video as well to people that are looking for ways to make money online, and please subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. On this channel, I've been on a break for a long time doing my researches. As you guys can see that I just introduced you to a new tool today, about 2 tools in fact today. The first one is the web tools, where you can do a whole lot of things online. Okay, and the second one is myclue.link, which I will be doing separate video on if you want me to do so. Okay, or I might still go ahead and do it even if you do not ask me to do it, because I know that you guys are going to love the powerful tools in this myclue.link, and they are going to be very useful for you in affiliate marketing. Okay, so guys, thank you so much, and comment below if you have any question. I always read my comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right.